Wagwan people, Dancehall Skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect. Alright, now first things first. I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica was asking for help to locate a man who said some things in a video that are considered as abduction threat. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica have located that man, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that the man had been taken into police custody. The video that shows the man, viewers and subscribers, is being talked about on social media. And for you to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present the video to you, viewers and subscribers. See, now, please bear in mind that some of the things that the person said in the video can be somewhat disturbing to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. So, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
I am promising all of you that lives in Mandeville, that on Monday when school returns, I will be taking all girl kids. I will be driving around and I will be taking your child. I will be taking all women and all girls because we need them for an experiment.
What?
The devil needs them for an experiment. Lucifer needs you. You women are to be on his mission. We must not disappoint Lucifer. He is our savior, our king. We must not disappoint him. We must make him strong. Support him or perish.
Well, my people, you see, me is the kind of person, I believe that when it comes down to certain type of threats, you must not take certain types of threats lightly. So me ask my people, yeah, if I hear someone say they might go do certain things that can be considered as life-threatening, don't take certain type of threats lightly. And not real. So me I say, you know, from the first time I see the video, I wonder why a video like this reach on social media and how a video like this reach on social media and why someone would say certain things like this in our video. You know, but you know, from I'm a young boy, me have family members, and I'm talking about older family members who sometimes will tell me, say, it's best to know a person's intention than to be around someone and don't know the person's intention, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, but anyways, you don't know me there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. And you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you and about the whole situation, alright? And with that, I am going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when at least 2 persons was being arrested or detained by the police within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows at least 1 person in handcuffs, viewers and subscribers, and the video shows police officers doing certain things in order to restrain a female. The video has been talked about on social media for several reasons. One of those reasons is because of the way how police officers, who you can see in the video, treated a female who you can see in the video. Another one of those reasons is because of some things that at least 1 person who you can hear talking in the video said. A person who you can hear talking in the video claimed that a female who you can see in the video is pregnant. I cannot confirm if the things that the person said in the video are true, viewers and subscribers. I don't even have any confirmed information as to why the police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago went to that location. I don't have any confirmed information as to why those persons had been detained or arrested by the police. However, the video has been talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about the situation that I can see in this video. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear yelling and shouting, and the video shows a hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
If you want me, Let them do what I want. Let them do what I want. I take a pepper spray. I take anything tonight. I sure about that. And I can go police complaint to you. Then, you get out the hand of she child. She a pregnant woman and this officer here extorting the woman. Well, they can't be doing that. And don't get me vexed here. I'll call the Minister of Finance too. Don't spray me no, Lester. Don't spray me neither. Look what the man doing this flipping woman. Lester, don't spray nobody that boy. Peltier, stop spraying that on me now, boy. Yeah, but don't spray that on me, Peltier. Me and you went to school together. Don't come wrong me, them kind of clunk thing, boy. Don't come wrong me. Don't come wrong me, them kind of clunk thing. You see what you're doing, man? Lester Peltier, you see what you're doing, man? You spray me pepper spray. Me and you went to school together all of me, I said. And I started up for a pregnant woman with a child. Right? And look what this officer doing. She could be under arrest. She could be under arrest. You see how you roughing she up with a child. And she's pregnant. Peters. Get back! Peters, get back! Get back! Peters! 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 Peters, shitter! Peters! 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 You see what you do me? You see, and I don't disrespect no officer! I don't disrespect none of you. I'm not saying you're shut up, Peters. Peters. Yeah, I know.
Did you hear the word pregnant in the video, my people? Did you hear the word pregnant mentioned in the video that I just presented to you? Eh? My people, it's when it comes down to certain types of situation, I will try my best to give the best advice that I can. See, no one is perfect. So me just try to give the best advice. See? Now, me hear the word pregnant mentioned in the video for your subscribers. And me start to think to myself and I said, Jano, I only hope so nobody not get hurt. I only hope so the female will get hurt. I me just want everything to work out to the best. You see me I say? And you know, when it comes down to certain types of situation that involves the police versus subscribers, it's best to comply. Yeah, may I tell you. But anyways, I got unconfirmed information about the situation, viewers and subscribers, and I think it would be best if you check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know, if you ask me, and if possible as well. Alright? Yeah. So, you know, you can make a comment, ask me, and I will leave my comment and let you know what I know if possible. Alright? Now, I got information that a man has been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for allegedly raping a female who he allegedly agreed to pay to have sexual intercourse with him. Now, I got information that the man who had been arrested and charged for allegedly raping a female, viewers and subscribers, is said to be in his 20s, and that the person goes by the last name of Burke. It is said that the incident happened within the month of February, the year 2022. Now, viewers and subscribers, yes, when it comes on to rape and them things there, me not support none of them things there, my people. So me I say, however, information that I got about this whole situation have me thinking. Yes, so me I say, my people, yeah, again, me not support no farmer rapist, no farmer raping. Me not support them things there. But information that I got really and truly have me I wonder what really happened. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that these information are alleged information. See? So all of these things allegedly said to have happened. Alright? So allegedly, it is said that the person who goes by the last name of Burke made an agreement to pay the female to have sexual intercourse with him. And it is said that Burke allegedly went to a certain location where the female was at, or he allegedly went to a certain location to meet the female, and it is said that when he got to the location, he refused to pay the female. So based on information that I got, it seems as if there was some form of disagreement or some problem when it comes on to the alleged payment. According to more information that I got, it is said that he allegedly held her down and had sexual intercourse with the female against her will. So it is said that the female made a report to the police within the country of Jamaica about the situation. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the female allegedly made the report to the police within the country of Jamaica. See? However, it is also said that Burke was pointed out by the female and he subsequently had been charged by the police in the country of Jamaica. My people, tell me what you think about that situation. And please bear in mind that I explained to you based on how I understand information that I got about the whole situation. See? And I explained to you in my words as well. And I just left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.